Welcome back to the tutorial for Python for network admins. We will continue from the last session. We have created a script to automatically backup show run, show version, and show CDP info from the previous video. In the beginning of the previous video, we mentioned that we will also show you an example where you can read the IP addresses of all the routers from a text file. So in the previous video, we have created a custom list with all the IP addresses, and we try to access this. In practical scenarios, it might not be always possible to create such a list, and sometimes it may require us to read the content from a file. Adding to that, we will also create a little variation about interacting with user about the username and password, because it's not always a good idea to use the static username and passwords here. So let's get started. So before that, let's see if we have all the IP addresses in the text file. Yes, we have. So let's go back to the script and let's remove this. We no longer need it. And let's ask the username and password from user itself. Please enter your username. Yes. We'll do the similar thing for enable password and login password. Please enter login password. Please enter enable password. Okay, so what we're basically doing is we're asking the user to enter the username and password. We can also use a module called getPass, which actually can encrypt the username and password, but we'll cover that in the SSH session. For now, we're doing the telnet for the routers. So, and we would like to read the contents from the file, so we'll use with statement and the file name. Okay, wv mode as a file object, and we would like to run a for loop within the file object. We will properly indent them. Yes. So that's all we have. Yeah. The contents from the file object will come along with the new line character. So we need to remove that. So we need to use strip function with the new line character. Yes, and yep, seems that's all we got pretty much. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it's asking for username Cisco. It's asking for login password, Cisco. It's asking for the enable password, Cisco again. And okay, there is some error here. Let's see. Yes, when we don't need the right permission, so basically we can just read. Yes, let's try again. Asking for username, Cisco, Cisco, Cisco. Yes, the process finished with the exit code 0, which means that the code is executed. Let's just check the output. Yeah, it seems the contents of the devices.txt file have been removed. So let's just add them. And now let's try it again. So it's asking for username, Cisco, password Cisco, enable password Cisco. Okay, yeah, I think it's printing the IP addresses. Cool, so we have all the output here. Show CDP, show run, and show version. Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. You have a good day.